Okay, so here's my game. Let me turn off my music. Give me 1 second. Here's my game. Let's do it. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Now let's do it for real. Okay. Woo! If you touch the water, you're gonna die. I died. I died again, but that was just for demonstration purposes. I promise. Just wanted to make sure that you knew that my game was working. And that you can fall off that if you're not good. I'm good. I wouldn't, but I wanted to show you guys. You can also fall off this too if you're not good at the video game you made, but I'm very good at the video game I made. So you can see there's a couple different branching paths. It branches off again. If you aren't a crazy good platformer like I am, you can also take the low road down here, and if you're eagle-eyed, you can do this little shortcut over here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's a little shortcut right there. Bada bing, bada boom. And then brings you over to my little spike pit. I say little, but it's actually much bigger than it needed to be. I should bring that a little closer to the wall so that it clips through. I'll do that, but I'm recording this in one take because I'm really good at recording videos. So here's one of the finishes. I drew a blank there. Anyway, there's one of the finishes. You can't get through it here, obviously. You have to go around and do this little obstacle course. But I wanted to show you that if you jump in the spike pit or fall, it spawns you back over here, right in front of it. Alternatively, the only real area that you can fall out, well, I guess you can fall out over there. Anyway, if you fall off the map, you also spawn back over here. So I guess that's a bit of a shortcut if you wanted to just run over here and then jump off. But, you know, where's the fun in that? There's no fun in that. That's the answer. Anyway, so you come over here, and then it's kind of hard to tell, but there's a little box here. And you can jump over here. You jump out, or fall if you're not good at your platformer. Again, I'm very good, but I just wanted to show you. You jump over here, and you get to the end. Bada bing, bada boom, you finished. But, if you're good at the game, you can just start over again. If you're good at the game, you can get all the way to the end. I want to see if I can do it in one try here. I've definitely done it before. It's not Nikes, because we don't curse, because this is an academic video game. We don't curse in academic video games. Boy. Beans. I can do it, I swear to Bob. Done it before. I felt super cool, because it's, like, difficult, but this is going to be the one. Oh, no. So, that red thing over there, right here, is so that if you fall off here, you can't just finish it here. So that would be, why wouldn't you just jump and fall over there? No. You want to get over there. That's what you want to get. You want to get to this one. So, if you fall off the block up there, you're going to hit this red ball, and it's going to put you back over the spike pit. I want to get there, but, alas. Alright, we'll try a different way since that other box is just I'm just not being able to make it. But I swear to Billy Bob Thornton, I've done it before. I promise. Jeez, Lou. These pipes are trickier than you think. Jeez, Lou. The pipes they're tougher than you think, especially that really vertical one. It's really slippery. Alright, yeah, this one's probably a little too easy, but you finish the game here too. If you just gotta beat the game the way that the dev intended, like me. You gotta do. Gosh darn it! You gotta beat the game the way the dev intended. You do a little bit. Oh, ooh, oh, so close. You gotta beat the game the way the dev intended. You gotta traverse the boxes. You gotta do it. The floaty boxes are the way to go. The floaty boxes are where it's at. Let me tell you. Boy, howdy. Oh! Jeez, I'm right there. I'm so close. Maybe it's worth making that red dead zone. Maybe it's worth making that a spawn back over. Start. Beans. The start of the boxes. So one of the features of the game that I want to show you is that I can beat it. I swear I can do it. I've done it before. I felt like a champion. I'm gonna feel like a champion again. Here in a second. Just a moment, you're gonna see that I'm a ding dang, I'm a champion of my own game that I developed. I play tested this, alright? I know it's beatable. You know who I blame? I blame Unity. This basic first-person controller is I don't know if Unity developed this actually. It was just part of my school curriculum. Part of the thing that came with the book, maybe. The book's first-person platformer is rudimentary. Yeah, I'm just blaming the game. I'm just not good. It's as simple as that. This is the one. This is the one. See, all I had to do was slow it down. When I slow it down, then I can do it. Ta-da! All it took me was 16:47.6. Yeah. So that's my video game. I hope you hated it as much as I did.